Yeah, for tomorrow, just take my hoodies and then got my jacket, got my 2 cross deodorant, that's it. Or I need a bottle of whiskey.
Ready?
Bottle of scotch.
Good morning, guys! Can you say good morning, Millie? Good morning, titas! Mga tita ko, Mars! Kamusta you? Okay naman, me! So, today is another ganap na naman dito. And today is we're planning to go to Liverpool City Center.
Yeah, Liverpool.
Yeah, yung sa pinaka-city talaga ng Liverpool, guys. We're going there to meet Millie's ninang dahil gustong-gusto niya nga talagang makita si Millie. Nag-travel pa talaga siya from Birmingham to Liverpool. And then, I'm pretty sure nakita niyo na yan siya dati if you are OG sa ating channel.
Are you gonna be nice to your Ninang Shine?
Ninang
Not
Ana.
gonna be scared of her?
Yan. So, na-meet na namin si Ate Shine. We've been also went to her house before. Siguro nakalimutan niya. Pero kung OG ka sa vlog na ito, for sure, maalala mo siya. Pero yun, we're getting ready. Outfit check. Kakatapos lang niya nakatuck in.
Really?
Kakatapos lang niya Inaantok na yun, guys, kaya nagpapabebe.
Are you excited, Millie? Right, let's go.
So, 45 minutes lang naman yung biyahe, guys. And mabilis lang. And then, ito lang yung atake natin. Kasi malamig. Ayan. Are you ready? Remove your hands in your mouth. It's not nice. Sleepy na to, guys. Aray. You say bye-bye to Nana now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say hi.
Bye-bye.
She's sleepy now.
Oh.
She wants to sleep. Yeah.
So you want to, everybody didn't say that.
Yeah. Look.
Take an hour go down.
Bye, Nana.
Okay.
Yeah,
Bye.
Bye-bye. Guys, dito na kami sa sakyan. And then, ayan, nag-chill na si Millie. Maya-maya, matulog na yan. Kasi kanina pa yan inaantok eh. So, meron kaming 45 minutes na drive. And then, yung dalawa sa harapan, nagtatalo na kasi nga, yung isa, mali, yung isa tama. Pero yung isa, gusto namang tama. Yung isa, hindi naman papayag na mali siya. So, walang nagpapatalo sa isa't isa. Pareho silang tama yung pinaglalaban nila. Pero anyway nga, dito na nga kami sa may sasakyan and on the way na nga kami. Buti nga to sumama si tatay niya eh. Kasi nga sabi ni Ate Shine, isama na lang daw para, you know, di ba, happy ang lahat. Para kami daw mag-shopping daw kami, and then si Millie and si tatay niya ay si Cameron and si lolo niyo is magkasama silang dalawa. So yun, buti nga ngayon it's a good weather eh. And maganda yung hindi masyadong malamig, good thing din. Pero sinicure ko talaga si Millie. Meron siyang thermal na sa loob. Tapos meron pang panglabas. Tapos naka-tights siya, leggings, and then medyas. Para alam niyo na warm talaga siya. Yan, nangiti siya mag-isa. So magtitimpla ko ng gatas para makatulog na siya.
si Mayusip. Hinanapan pa kita niya na.
Everton. Everton.
What's that? What's that? Kaya ka ba tayo?
Nadugwa ko bali. Come on, Miri. Nadugwa na ko bong.
Oh my God. T, I miss you, T.
Komi. Ay, kayo ko unang ako.
Dito na kami guys sa apartment.
Upstairs bedroom on screen. I'll get that one.
Okay.
It's Cameron's dad. Hello.
Yeah. Half that one on screen.
Dito na kami sa may aming Airbnb. Tapos may room dito. Ayan. Malab. And then, may second floor pa pala. Tas dito ka, and then yung tatay ni Kamte. Dito ka, tsaka yung tatay ni Ka. Yan, so meron pang second bedroom dito. Sobrang laki yan, in fairness. Ha? There's already a shower stuff.
In our house.
Ang ganda ng CR. And look at the heater. Oh, it's quite nice. Tsaka dito talaga kami sa mismong city center, guys. Sa pinaka-city, sa pinaka-center talaga ng Liverpool. Kung saan malapit yung mga shoppingan and everything. Dito na yung si Millie. Nag-ano na siya. Naghalongkat na siya. Come back here!
That's it. You buy you later skinny jeans.
Yung mga skinny jeans niya masyado pong pero okay lang yun. At least may masuot siya.
Malapit na siya sa akin.
Mga ano pa kami, mga 1 hour pa kami.
Oy, Dada! Ang dance. Who's that? You're talkative. But,
She got it from her dad. She's very talkative.
yeah, where is your shoes? Where is your shoes? Ay,
So guys, nag-aayos lang kami and we are going to
have a lunch.
have a lunch. Si Ate Shine, kung naalala nyo guys, ang pinakamaganda sa lahat dito sa UK, ang madam ng UK.
Oh, shout out pala sa mga nurses ng Avery. Si Rose Gomez, si Joy Castillo.
Nanonood sila.
Thank you for my hair, guys.
Yeah. Manong paripan ka.
Shout out. Happy birthday, Tenten! Hello,
Ayan.
guys. Nabili ang magnantatay.
Ayun yung magtatayo. Where's that?
Jollibee to my aunt.
Guys, meron din palang Jollibee dito sa Liverpool. I only knew it.
Guys, hindi ko pa nakanak ulit.
Yeah, well, it's because like when we switched from
Jollibee.
Sa Jollibee.
Guys, dito na tayo sa may Asian Pan Restaurant. And then what you said? You've been there? Rages City.
School trip, we went to it about 50 years ago.
Yeah. He went there for... What is that?
It's the Radio City Tower. Used to be Tower Restaurant at the top.
Mm.
Thank you.
Do you need high chair or not?
Yes,
Would you mind leaving the plan by the wall?
Dito na kami guys sa loob ng buffet. Chinese buffet siya. And then, nag-order lang si Cameron sa ate siya ng drinks. And then, dito ang Millie Boo. Ayan. Close. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Yeah, that's a car. There's a car in the London. You've been there.
Are you enjoying Millie? Are you enjoying the Liverpool? Seems like you're enjoying Liverpool. Millie! Millie! The wheels on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Round and round. Round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round.
Andito na yung food. Ang dami, pero hindi ko maisa-isa lahat. Pero yan na. And yan naman kay Ate Shine. Hindi siya nag-rice kasi diet. Diet to dying. Kain tayo, guys. Where's the baby?
Hindi ka bata sa bulo.
I think so. Kunti lang kinuha ko siya para mamaya makain lahat. At least dito na lahat, no? Hindi ka pa mahirapan magpili.
Pinili ko eh. Uy! Uy!
What happened?
One of every single curry. Indian curry, Thai curry, Chinese curry, lamb curry, everything. Did you see the cakes? Whole slices of cake.
Ayan na, pinagsha-shopping na ng ninang ang Milibo.
Oh, ang bata may kapamilit man ni.
Sagad man gani magmili. Bayad na yung pinanser natin, guys. Ay, napaka-spoiled naman talaga sa ninang. Guys, tapos na tayo sa may River Island. Next naman, saan tayo, te? Sa next. Next ang next.
Ayan na pinabila.
Daming tao na. Kanina parang wala pang tao. Sabi nga ni Cameron kanina, parang hindi naman busy.
Guys, hindi naman masama ang magpiling mayaman sa isang araw. Pagkatapos niyan, nga tulala.
Nga tulala. Dito tayo sa next.
Atin maano, masilod.
Jay, ah.
Hindi tana nakrapiyan, tana rani.
Ayan na, guys. Nagbabayad ng ating pambansang ninang. Magbabayad ng financer. Pinakyaw na namin ng H&M Next and River Island. Ay, sa River Island, konti lang yung nabili natin, Tino. Bayad na rin kami. And tulog na pala si Millie. Yan o. Nakatulog na siya, guys.
Ganyan talaga guys pag mga pinanganak na maganda. Nagmana sa nilang sa kalandian.
Sitting pretty. Nakatulog na si Millie.
What did you get?
Got it.
Huh? What is that?
Millie.
Sana all.
What are you doing in there?
Damn.
You're playing the yellow.
That's what you wanted, isn't it?
Very good.
Crocs. You didn't get me some new Crocs.
What are you doing?
Hey.
I read it.
Sana all si Millie Bo. Sana all lahat si Millie Bo.
This dog.
No, too nice of clothes. You got a birthday dress already. Show your clothes to your daddy.
It's for me?
Yeah.
Polo.
No, these are yours. Cox.
Ipapakita ko yung iba sa inyo guys. I-haul ko sa inyo lahat-lahat ng mga pinamili ng pangbansang ninang. Another shoes. Walang katapusang shoes.
That's nice. Dress.
No, it's like for Philippines.
That's her birthday dress.
You see?
Yeah, that fits.
Cheap wine. Cheap. Yeah.
So much stuff.
Denim
Bye-bye.
jacket.
Dress.
Dress.
For Philippines. Ate Shane bought so much.
Leggings.
Saan yung resibo nito, te? You get this receipt. Pretty much it, and i-haul ko na lang sa inyo lahat ng mga pinamili namin.
Jollibee.
And then also, bumili din pala kami sa Jollibee. Ito, may spaghetti, 2 piraso sa akin yung isa, and then kay Ate Shan yung isa. Bumili kami ng chicken, and then this is yours.
Thank you.
I'm sorry for that burgers. So yan lahat ng pinamili ni Madam Shai. Tignan mo si Mili, oh. So,
What did you do?
ha?
Apartment number.
20
Says in 20.
for the Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
It's on the door. Let's go to that.
Oh man, wait.
So that's pretty much it guys. Sobrang nakakapagod pero you know, ano naman, okay lang. Nag-enjoy naman. And ano muna, beauty rest muna. And then,
How's the Jollibee burger? Did you have one in Philippines?
Huh?
You didn't? Is it better than McDonald's? Better than Burger King? Is it? Or McDonald's?
Same.
That's the same. It's good.
bye!
Bye
They'll pick you up when they go back to work.
Bye!
bye. Bye bye.
Bye!
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
And go for that. Bye bye. Good riddance.
I'll just go pee quickly and then we go.
Aviation Birmingham International Airport from Milibu. Hello.
Yeah.
Bye, Ninang! Bye, Mili!